Hey, how much do you know about Poland? I don't know if you know this, but in 2019, Poland became the 10th fastest growing trade partner of the United States. In fact, in that year, 2019, U.S. imports of automotive parts from Poland grew by nearly 54% to more than $354 million US. Now, that's a huge amount. So, to celebrate this, the Polish Investment and Trade Agency is organizing an online event that is going to be showcasing all that Poland's automotive industry has to offer. It's going to happen on October the 15th, 2020, happening very soon at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Central European Time. So 9 a.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Central European Time. So here's what you're going to find on October 15th. They're going to show an overview of the Polish automotive industry. They're going to address the impact of COVID-19, and they're going to highlight alternatives in the supply chain that Poland can offer us. It's going to be followed by an event where you have an opportunity to network virtually, of course, with some of the best Polish and American automotive companies and associations. This event is put together by the Polish Automotive Industry Association, the Polish Automotive Group, Polish Chamber of Automotive Industry, the Association of Automotive Parts Distributors and Producers, as well as several American partners, including the Detroit Regional Partnership, the Detroit Economic Growth Corporation, the Rockford Area Economic Development Council, and Indy Partnership. Now, in the video below, you'll find a link to register for this very important event on October the 15th. I know it's short notice, but seats are filling up very quickly, so need you to get there and get registered to see what Poland has to offer, not only the U.S., but the global automotive industry.